Welcome to our channel. If you're paying for higher education and want to reduce your tax bill, follow these step-by-step instructions to claim valuable education tax credits. Step 1. Understand the two main education credits. The American Opportunity Tax Credit offers up to $2,500 for the first 4 years of undergraduate education, while the Lifetime Learning Credit provides up to $2,000 for any post-secondary education. Step 2. Determine your eligibility based on income. For 2024, the American Opportunity Credit phases out between $80,000 and $90,000 for single filers, and between $160,000 and $180,000 for married filing jointly. Step 3. Verify you're paying qualified education expenses including tuition, required fees, and course materials required for enrollment or attendance at eligible institutions. Step 4. Obtain Form 1098T from your educational institution, which reports tuition payments and scholarships received during the year. Step 5. Calculate your credit amount. The American Opportunity Credit provides 100% of the first $2,000 spent and 25% of the next $2,000 in qualified expenses. Step 6. Understand that you cannot double dip. You cannot claim education credits for expenses paid with tax-free scholarships, grants, or 529 plan distributions. Step 7. Complete Form 863 to claim your education credits, attaching it to your Form 1040. Step 8. Keep all receipts and documentation supporting your qualified education expenses for at least 3 years in case of IRS questions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.